Hi again. Maybe I should do a documentary on myself. I'm standing at a crossroads here in Crestone, Colorado, which is probably about 45 minutes away from the Mexican border. If Victor thinks Yoshe Gande in Denmark is boring, he should come here. He'd go crazy. I'll show you another little wrap around this area. This is a crossroad. You're lucky if you even see a car go by here. See, that's a road that heads toward downtown Crestone. There's probably all of about 50 people live, and that is a good 7 miles away. Up here is the road I just walked back down. I cross a bridge just over the ridge there, the hill. This is the road up to Vajravidya, and we keep going. Maybe you see in the distance, that's Reggie Ray's place. Maybe you've heard of him. He has the Ocean of Dharma Meditation Center. He's the one that broke off from the Sakya and started his own group. He has quite a few students, actually. It's pretty arid here in general. About the only thing we have here that's tourist worthy is we have hot springs in the area, and we also have a desert with sand dunes. And plus, of course, there are many meditation centers here, several Buddhist meditation centers here, a Bampo center here, and a Catholic monastery. Also, I did make Victor a video. Underneath that valley is one of the United States, if not the largest in the United States, underground lake, an aquifer, and that's where Arizona and Colorado and California gets a lot of their water besides the Hoover Dam. And so even though it's very dry and arid there, this place is actually has lots of water, but it's all underground. Boy, if you want to be in destitute, go here. As you know, Khenpo Tsotrung Gyatso said this is a power spot, best place in the whole world to do a meditation retreat. Why? I have no idea. And as you know, Tsoknyi Rinpoche has a center here too, though he's rarely here because he travels around the world a lot. I wonder if Chokyi Nyingma Rinpoche has ever been here. Well, that's part 2 of this documentary. So I shall sign off for now. Goodbye.